In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Portsmouth Primary won and decided to send Mona Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mona Prep. Which of the Psalms states that the earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof?
Psalm 24.
Psalm 24.
Correct. Portsmouth, which of the Psalms states that the Lord is my light and my salvation? Whom shall I fear?
Psalm 70. Psalm 23.
23.
Incorrect. Psalm 27. Mona, International Affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Justin Trudeau.
Justin Trudeau.
Correct. Portsmouth, look at the monitor and identify this person.
No, just a Devon Biscuit. Devon Biscuit.
Incorrect. Rishi Sunak, the British Prime Minister. Science, Mona, what is another name for loam?
Garden soil.
Garden soil.
Correct. Portsmouth, during soil erosion, what is removed due to wind and water?
Bedrock.
Incorrect. Topsoil. Television, it's a visual. Mona, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Shaggy. Shaggy.
Correct. Portsmouth, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Daphne.
Daphne.
Correct. English language, Mona, what is the meaning of the prefix sub as used in submarine?
Under. Under.
Correct. Portsmouth, what is the meaning of the prefix auto as used in autograph?
Self.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. Mona, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Denisha Blackwood.
Correct. Portsmouth, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Just a Bella France.
Bella France.
Incorrect. It's Havana Solon, the Reggae Girls footballer. General knowledge, Mona Prep. What is the new name of the social media company formerly known as Twitter?
X.
That's right. Portsmouth, which billionaire bought the social media company Twitter and renamed it X?
Elon Musk.
Correct. Back to you, Mona. Social studies. Which parish borders St. Anne to the east in Jamaica?
Trelawney.
Incorrect. It's St. Mary. Portsmouth, which parish borders Hanover to the south in Jamaica?
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland.
That's right. Music, Mona, what is the name of the symbol drawn at the end of a stave, indicating the pitch of the notes written on that stave?
Semiquaver.
Incorrect, clef. Portsmouth, which symbol indicates that a musical note should be lowered by 1 semitone?
Semidemiquaver.
Incorrect, a flat. Mathematics, Mona, what is the value of n if 8n minus 33 equals? And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mona Prep on 7 and Portsmouth Primary on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Choose friends who share your values and goals. Don't be led astray into a path which is not in keeping with your standards. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.